Hello and welcome to another episode of Momento Malum today. The Adzuki bean is a noteworthy crop due to the fact that it be cultivated in both temperate and semi-tropical regions. This species is usable both for savory and sweet applications in cooking, and they're a valuable rotation crop that can fix between 50 to 500 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare into the soil. The organization IQAR would use the SSR genetic marker technology and several morphological markers to analyze 96 Adzuki bean lines derived from local land races to determine the genetic diversity of these local Indian lines, and here are the results. It was found that the lines clustered into three groups. Cluster 1 and 3 were the most genetically distinct from each other, indicating that these are the least genetically related within the populations. This means that crosses between these groups will produce the highest level of variability to select from. Group 2 and 3 were found to be the most genetically related and will generate less variation from the mingling of both lines. The group that showed the highest level of positive agronomic traits related to yield and early maturity were found in Cluster 1. Cluster 1 contained 40 lines, Cluster 2 contained 18 lines, and Cluster 3 had 38 lines. In our analysis, refined the group into two clusters. Cluster 1 in the refined model contained 52 lines, 32 of which are of pure genetic stock and 20 of which are hybrids between both clusters. Cluster 2 contained 44 lines, 21 pure blood stock and 23 hybrids. Returning to the initial three cluster model, Cluster 1 had a range of disease-resistant traits within the population. The lines IC485385, IC341937, EC340286, and EC340251 have resistance to leaf spot, while the lines EC340274, EC59489, EC340281, and EC2402246 were susceptible. This means that careful selection from these land races will be needed for further breeding projects in the development of new commercial cultivars of Adzuki bean. And that about covers everything. Thank you for watching. If you want to donate to my channel, the links are below. If you want to buy my book, you can also find that link in the description box below.